finally done and we can share the transformation with you guys.
We're about to get started, but I gotta tell you, I'm a little nervous. Christina, how's it look?
There's bugs in there, you see them?
Oh yeah, oh wow.
You see them moving around?
Oh no, your English is amazing. My Portuguese is just not. And so there you have it. Day one of the pool renovation is in the books. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are back at our home here in Cascais, Portugal. Last week you saw us up at the lake house where we gave a tour of our next project. I can't believe we did it. We bought a lake house.
In Portugal.
In Portugal. But as we are starting that project, we are ending the one here at our primary residence here in Cascais, Portugal. If you've been keeping up with our channel, you know that we recently purchased this home about 7 months ago. Welcome to our new home in Cascais, Portugal. And we did a little bit of work to the house, but this was the major project and the final project that we had to do to the home was completely renovating this pool. And we started a series sharing that journey. Unfortunately, the bio pool that was here, it wasn't a very good bio pool. And honestly, no one wanted to even touch it. Well, the pool is finally complete and we are ready to share the final reveal. But as we do that, we are also going to share with you guys some time-lapse video and talk to you a bit about the construction that took place. And as a bonus, we are also going to give you guys a tour of the other side of our garden and talk to you a bit about how we're going to use that space over there. But we are finally done with all of the work here on our primary residence, and now we can focus on the renovation work at the lake house retreat. So if you guys want to keep up with that, make sure you follow our channel. But in the meantime, let's finally reveal the work that we did to our pool here at our home in Cascais. So one of the things that made this project extremely challenging is that it took place during one of the most rainiest months we've had in a long time here in Portugal. There was so much rain that our contractors really were challenged doing all of the work in the rain. On top of that, this part of Portugal had a tropical storm that knocked down a number of trees that caused a bunch of disruption. It was something that was really unheard of and hadn't been seen in quite some time. So that was something else that our contractor had to deal with. And finally, while this project was going on, Portugal, Spain, and parts of France had a complete blackout. There's been a power failure. We don't know what's going on.
Throughout the country.
Throughout the country. There was no electricity. That took place towards the end of this pool renovation. And so there was just so many things that were taking place. But in the end, we finally got the pool done. It took about 6 weeks in total, and we have been enjoying the pool ever since. So of course we've been using the pool when the weather is warm, and it has been really warm lately. I have also been using the pool to improve my stamina and my cardio, and it's been a heck of a workout. Christina also uses the pool to work out. You know, fun fact about Christina is that she played water polo in high school on an all-male team because there was no girls team, and she loves using the pool for water polo. What's nice about our pool is that it's long and deep, and so we can do a lot of these types of activities. We finally got in all of the furniture, including a barbecue pit, and you know we'd love to barbecue. In fact, we've already got some barbecues planned. And something else that's really exciting is this summer, my niece and nephew are going to be staying with us over the summer, and they're at that age where all they want to do is hang out in the swimming pool. My dad is also coming this summer, so he is going to get to enjoy the pool. We are just going to have so much fun this summer. One thing that we also wanted to do with this pool was we wanted to heat it so that we could use it year round. So this pool is also heated. We can swim at night in the pool and it's nice and warm. We really tried to make this pool everything that we've ever wanted in a pool, and we have been so excited and happy with the final results. Shout out to our contractors. If you want their information, we actually included it in previous videos, so make sure you check out the other videos because those guys were amazing. The other thing that's really nice about our Cascais property is that we have the pool on one side of the house, and on the other side of the house we have this nice garden. And as we enter into spring and enter into summer, we are seeing everything start to bloom in this part of the garden. Everything smells so wonderful. It is so nice. In the afternoons and in the evenings, we've set up some chairs out here where we can just come and hang out and relax. I don't think we're gonna do much to this space. It's one of those spaces that we wanna leave versatile. So if we wanna put chairs out here or a table out here, we have that option because nothing is really built. And so that is an update on the complete yard. We hope that you guys have liked this series. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below and make sure to follow our channel so that you can see our next project, the lake house renovation. We are so excited for what we have in store with that lake house property. It is just going to be amazing. And so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and join the journey.